Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tessie Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube. I greet all of you. It's been a while. I've not been here. Today, I say make I come give a small gist, just small one. As when I know all this time we don't pass. We don't dey talk about totori issues and how you go dey do am with your hobby and how give am to your wife the way we like am, or give it to your husband the way he likes it, or keep it clean if you like licking, or the kind of pants where they ah I say this just the sweet. Okay, what's it called them? We don't talk about women. If you know your kind, the size of your vagina and the kind of dress where they correct you. Because some they do the day where they you get extra large like XXL, but you no go know the kind of dress we go pass. So now you get to really to make you be comfortable. Now you get for the find the thing we go, hold everything in place. You understand? So now we don't talk about this series for a long time. Okay, seriously, we don't talk about them for a very long time, and I get very good feedbacks. Say everything, where I talk. Some people tried it, some people ignored it, and but I got positive feedbacks, really positive. Women they testify how the videos help them, and they help them realize the things so they overlook, where they don't be know say those things have need attention. You know, because I dey always talk say if you be woman, once in a while, just take time, put yourself for inside, you know, your mirror, your dressing mirror. You just stand in front of mirror, just look your body, turn around, look everything, just check that everything is in place. And thereabout, you will still see which part of the body will need attention. There is no wrong in smelling your own dress, because most of times it be like testing your breast for for lumps and everything, that breast cancer self check. Nothing dey wrong with that. A lot of times you dey discover say you get infection when you start to dey get some unpleasant odor where they come out for down below. So it really be very important. Sometimes there is nothing wrong in it. Some people go tell you say I no fit, how I go dey smell my drawers. You go smell your drawers because you cannot take your nose and put under your nyash and smell it. So that is how you so now, so that the best way where you go take no, say things are not right, or smelling your even your armpits, nothing dey bad for inside. Sometimes when you realize that you don't walk, you don't sweat, or you've been walking, or you doing anything, or you be a person where you dey sweat plenty, nothing be wrong to dey smell yourself once in a while. When you know say they very unpleasant, no matter where you dey now. See, whether na for Africa or whether na for where, even that towel dey inside your back, you enter which toilet, you take small water, damp am for this hand towel, you take and clean your body, enter toilet, just clean something, put small perfume, come out, and you go dey smell well. Must dey say I go wash, I must wash. Most of the times person dey busy till they get time self to eat. But so the little time where you dey get, where you fit just take rush, rush something, you just rush am, to put things in order. So body cleaning for woman and man, it be very important. We don't talk this one for this sex series where I don't dey talk about. We talk about all those things. This thing where people they ignore, where they call say totori, as in sex. People go talk say this one, that one. You too raw. You too they talk about the talk way you no supposed talk. But if I dey tell una this matter, this thing they cause a lot of trouble. It dey cause a lot of trouble. Now totori they make woman go leave your husband, go sleep with another man. Now totori go make man go leave your woman, go sleep with another man. Now lost, I go do this. See, everything, nobody is perfect, but sometimes together you people can reach orgasm. Now now togetherness, now walk your own, I walk my own, I in the inside. Because this thing, no be say your husband will just come jump, like say the jump for inside river. He just jump, gidigba. You do everything, come out. And when you don't do come out, you say if you go just stay. Whether you dey satisfied or you know they satisfied, or you know go talk anything. Women there where they never even know whether women they get orgasm. They don't know whether woman woman self they discharge, because they know say now man now they discharge. Come and do quickly and be going. See, this thing they remove stress for body. It they cure headache instantly. It they remove you out of depression. The only thing where they be say, some people then where they see sex as if nothing where they produce children. Apart from that, it no mean anything for them. They don't know what's be satisfaction. They don't know, because they think say now only the man now get to be satisfied. If the woman not get anything to do. Sex, they only to make children. Sex, nothing where they build love, nothing where they build relationship, nothing where they be when they hang together like two birds. It is very, very important in your relationship, in your marriage life, everything. It is very important. It be the duty of you, the woman. Yeah. May I tell you now, when you want to do this, you not do like say, you want to say, make the man come do quick, come out. No. Unless you are going to thief. If you are not thieving, it is a plate that you have to sit down and serve where. You understand? Now, see where you get to concentrate. Concentrate where. Like sit down. Start today, small, now the thing they go, molo. You start to do small touch from touch to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Before I won't go reach there. It go easy. Very, very easy. But this one, where you go here, like one time we get a video where one man they could testify, say in they stay 1 hour. Man go stay 1 hour for your body. At the end of the day, you the woman, you go feel satisfied, because you partake. You partake in the game. You go partake when they go to do you totori. You go they busy, they think of other things where they your brain, where casala they want gas for inside your brain. You go just think of other things. No, you have to sit down. Put yourself, your body insights, your soul insights. You sit down there, see, if una dey see person, women then dey way or men then dey way, they aggressive. Day in, day out. Maybe you've met them in the streets or anywhere. You talk to them, the way they will answer you. You go ask yourself, say, we don't know before. You know me from somewhere. I be waiting. When person no do totori, when your wife or your husband, he never serve am correct totori in the night, it's a problem. It's a wahala. So it is very, very important. I don't want my ladies, because that the man they climb on top. You come they talk so okay, make it come climb, they do go. No. Woman self can climb on top. You can climb and do your own to and go down. If not like that today, do your own, finish, you go down. This thing is for two people. When you will not agree, it takes two to agree, Abi. If you not agree, nothing will come out. Your sex life will just be boring. Your sex life, there will be no excitement. Because anytime when the man they come, you will just say, this one, that one. Or maybe you, the woman, when you just go ask the man now, say, maybe we'll go do something. The man will just say, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I don't want to do. I'm tired. I just came back from work. This one, that one. I don't want to do anything. Because he go just the thing, say, oh, this woman don't come again. Oh, this woman don't come again. Oh, I won't go do this thing now. You go to sit down. How will you be making love to your husband or to your wife? You they sleep with your wife. Your wife go just just lie down like wood. Go just lie down like wood. Because you, the woman, you dey boring. The man know they get You know, now food where they sweet for mouth. Food where it gets what do I call that thing? Spice is well spiced. Food where they spice and where. Now that one, then person they, you know, anytime you think about that food, your mouth will do water. You won't eat. You dey hungry. You want to eat that food. Yeah? There is a difference between I was talking to a man one time. When you love your wife, when you love your partner, yeah, you love your partner, two of you date together. There are some men who go about, you know, like sleeping here and sleeping there. But this one, the confirmation of a real man, it tell me say, men, when when you sleep with a woman that you love, you can wait the next 5 years to sleep again with that same woman. Because what you taste from inside, you don't get it everywhere. What they do with all your heart, with all your soul, it is different from what you just go to do cha come out. The one where you eat will sweet you for mouth. When you hear some women go say all men are the same, some men go say all women are the same. Maka for where now? Nebe, it cannot happen. How can everybody be the same? Even the finger we God create give us, you know they're the same. So why will every human being be the same? It's not right. The fact say you don't get disappointment one side. But this thing be say, when I feel fix them, you understand? You people can fix it. Some people they used to talk say, to read love novels or to listen to love music or to watch porn or whatever, na bad thing. Porn they bad when you watch alone without your partner. Because most men, some of them, they go sit down when their wife don't go sleep. At that time, they can't watch porn. When they watch porn finish, they watch porn for themselves. When they don't do finish, that they will come past, go sleep for inside bed. When woman say, "Cow will go do," you go say, "No, they do it don't tire." But when you attend even sex lectures, when I know, when I attend, read books, watch movies, do together, it improve on our love life very much. It improve on our way of doing things very much. Conversation, dialogue, it improve a lot of things. What in there inside love making, sex, now say, if you there with your partner, and you dey fear to talk to them, now they bad. It no good at all. Do not hide. No shame at all. Shame no dey inside this one. And now this thing what they do when they see woman, men they go cheat. They go with their head because they think say they get woman for house. But women when they won't go cheat, they go with their hearts. And when woman don't, a woman they love man before he sleep with her, or they get feelings for her before he sleep with her. So when woman go, some women don't abandon their marriage and children, follow one man go. Waiting now because of the sweet where they hear for inside. Now because of the sweet where they hear, because when woman don't go like this, you go with your heart. It don't go be that. It don't go be that. That is this thing. If you dare, as they talk, say some women they never know whether orgasm they exist for that word they for dictionary. They don't know. So the day you will experience this thing now, hey. If you experience her, hey, nah man, come and be seeing wahala now. That time, they talk say dog will won't die. No, they hear a master whistle again. You go they call her, no go. He go tell you say, I beg, sit down. May I go my own. Because don't go taste what's in sweeter. And so this is how it is very, very important. Say make with sex is very important inside a relationship, inside marriage. It is very important. Even though I go talk say, now that one they chop, not be you they chop, but they help to create a lot of things. Not be creating, they help to remove stress, they help to bring una together. Because that's when you are lying on the bed with your man. That is when you have time to discuss, very, very important issues. After a very good round, for people who get power, you can even go 2, 3, 4. But for people where na only one, if you do, una relax, una discuss, una talk, you discuss about it. Talk about it. There is no crime in talking about it. Talk. Nothing spoil. Tell and say it was good, or you tell and say it was not good. Next time, don't like this. So as this thing there now, I not get where I go come talk, because this sex issues, this sex series, so I don't talk about this time. It don't take now a very wide topic, a very large one. Like a lot of people, they don't contact me, say me they organize live, like one-on-one discussions where I go they okay, whatever. But the topic really be wide. Everybody on their own. But please, what una they do? Una know say feel free and enjoy it. And you men, do not only think about yourself. Think about the women too. Make sure you satisfy your woman. Itself deserves to be happy. She deserves to be happy. And as now they watch this video, if this suits you, help me to subscribe so that you'll be getting more gist from here. From Tell Tessie Inspirational Corner. Now so I dey YouTube, now so I dey Facebook, now so I dey Instagram, everywhere. Now Tell Tessie, the Inspire Corner. Tell Tessie Inspirational Corner. So thank you so much for watching, and come back very soon for another good. We'll start a new series next time. Okay, and just come and watch. Una remain blessed. Bye.